everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. It's a Monday when I'm filming this. I thought I would film a motivational video, kind of like a get everything done with me. It's actually still the half term, so we are now into our second week. So I think we're like a week behind a lot of the other schools, which doesn't usually happen. Anyway, so I've got all three kids with me. Darcy's still in bed. She's living her best half-term life. She actually has plans today. I think she's going to do like a bake-off with her friends. So she's off to her friend's house. So I'm going to have Penny and Ollie with me. We do have to do a food shop. I'm currently just about to start sorting the fridge out. We didn't actually do a big food shop last week. We kind of just like meal prepped and just got the bits that we needed. And it worked really well. So I'm going to do that this week because I just want to make sure that I'm not spending money unnecessarily. So I thought I would bring you along. It's just about 9 AM in the morning. So I'm hoping the shops are very quiet. That way I can bring the camera in with me. But we shall see. We'll see how we get on. So I'm just going to set you up on the tripod. I'm going to finish cleaning out the fridge. I'm also going to have my phone with me because I'm making a bit of a note of what we need. So I'm only buying exactly what we need. But I am going to need to go to a few different shops. So I think we're going to try Lidl today. Just for like because I prefer the fruit and veg in there. We need so much fruit and veg. We've completely run out of that, which is why I'm going to do like more of a restock shop. I also need to pop Town Bargains because I've got one washing pod left. No whitening. I like to pop a scoop of whitening powder in my wash. None of that. And I've got a lot of washing to catch up on because obviously I was away at Blue on Saturday. So I think Tom just did a wash load where he washed Ollie's football kit for the Sunday. So we've got a lot of washing to catch up on. And yeah, then we'll need to put everything away, kind of like get on top of the house. I need to do my workout today and yeah, just lots and lots to do. So I thought I'd bring you along. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Let's get this done. Right, I think this is it. So there'll be things that I see as I'm walking around, but I've got pittas, like pitta breads, bread, butter, small waters. We've got so many of the 2 litre ones. Almond milk, Greek yogurt, bread. I've said bread already. Apples, kiwi, grapes, strawberries, cucumber, carrots, eggs, yogurts, orange juice, apple juice. We've got all of our pastas, so we don't need any of those. Oh, I wonder if we need sun-dried tomatoes, actually. Do we need those? No, we've got sun-dried tomatoes because we're going to make pasta, so we've already got that. If I see a jar, I probably will pick some up unless we've got some in there. What's that? White rice. We don't really need any chocolate bits and pieces like that because we've still got so much from Easter. I need to go through the eggs and take out like the chocolate bars that are in there. Toilet rolls, that's what we need. That is actually urgent. We've got none in the downstairs toilet that I noticed last night. And we've got one each in the other bathroom. So this is why we're going out early. I was going to get bananas, but we haven't been eating them. And I just need some like protein granola, something along those lines. So let's head to the shops and see what we managed to get done. Oh, the wheel's okay on that?
Yeah.
Right, you going to sit in the seat, Penny girl?
Yeah.
Should we go in and do it? Yeah, Ollie, we're going to push it properly though, okay? being my helper boy today. We're not doing too bad. We've got most things, but we are still going to need to pop to another shop. Penny's got her panda.
Yeah.
So we're going to head to the till now and pay, get this in the car, and then see where we go next. Okay, we sort out the boot. That was £63, so not too bad. We did have to buy toilet roll and things like that this week. Right.
We didn't buy toilet roll.
We did. There they are, see? Yes, Penelope.
Toilet roll is £34.
No, they weren't £34. Oh, heavy, heavy, heavy. Got to get a pound back. Okay, so Penny's like chocolate bar. She had so many buenos for Easter. My sister got her a stack because she went through a phase of not liking the white ones, preferring the chocolate, and now she has changed her mind and prefers the white chocolate. So we didn't do too bad in there. Let's have a little look at our list. Notes, where's my notes? So the only thing they didn't have is when we get the white rice, we prefer it in the plastic tray, but they didn't have their own version of that. They only had the branded one, which was quite expensive. So they didn't have the mixed grapes, so we need to get some of that. White rice. Oh, we did get Little Walters. And what else? Protein granola, but I don't think they're going to do that in Aldi, but I'll have a look. And then I do need to go to Home Bargains because we need to get a few bits for washing. So, Lidl done. Now off to Aldi. Okay guys, so you can probably see from the little sign there, we're about to head into Home Bargains. I've had a little look on Google for the washing pods that I use. I use the Ariel with the extra stain remover, and the cheapest that I found, even not including Amazon, they were quite expensive on Amazon, is Home Bargains. So it said online that they do 70 pods for $14.99, I think. So I'm going to go in and see what I can find. I also need some stain remover. We went into Aldi. That was really quick, easy, nice and quiet. So it's 11 o'clock now. Once we've been in here, we're going to go home, unload the shopping. I'm going to have my breakfast. I've actually been trying to fast. I know I probably need to do that with my coffee as well. I have been having my coffee, but I've been fasting with my food. So I've not been having it until about 11 a.m. So we're going to go into Home Bargains, get this done. I'm not going to take you in here because the car park is very busy.
I'm going to go to the toys aisle to a picture of what Santa can get me.
We're going to go to the toy aisle to picture what Santa can get Penny. Okay guys, sorry, this is really annoying.
Hi.
We've come out and it's decided to start raining again. Where's my pods, Ollie? So the washing pods were $14.99 for £70. I get the ones with the extra stain removers. Like that. Oh, and we picked this up to send to the birthday fairy. So this is actually really good. It's supposed to be £29.99 and it was actually £4.99. But the horse lights up and stamps her feet. And yeah, you get the little mini horse and the doll. There you go.
I got masking tape.
Unicorn Academy, yeah, it's actually branded as well. Ollie's got a couple of masking tapes for his airport. I thought I would try this one out. I don't know, I'm assuming this is new. I've never seen it before. Wow, it's raining so heavy now. Can you sit back and put your seatbelt on and I'll pass your colour in? So instead of the pink stuff one, I thought I would give the Ariel one a go. They had one for colours, one for whites. It was £2.99. So yeah, I'll let you know how I got on with that. We picked up a little activity pack just to keep Penny quiet. It was £1.99. It's a stitch one. You get a colouring book, an activity book, 4 colouring pens and some stickers. Would you like to have a look at that? Oh, you did it. Good job. I also dug out of the boot my really cute Home Bargains tote. So I need to make sure I use this more often because I love this one. What else did we get? I got 2 rolls of sellotape.
Well, Mum, I got 2 books.
Wow, you're so lucky.
Perfecto.
Some stain remover spray, and I got 2 of these protein shakes because what I've been doing for my lunch, I've been having just an omelette. I've skipped the pita and avocado, so I've been having an omelette with some like red onions and cucumber, just something on the side, and then I've been having a protein shake after, and I've only got 1 left, and I saw that they had those ones. They're not too bad calorie wise either, and they were only 99p, so I grabbed 2 of those. Yeah, we're gonna go home now, so we're off home, guys, so I'll speak to you when I get home and we'll unload all of this shopping.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. in a gown, barefoot.
Okay guys, so it's actually an hour or so later. I have, everything's been put away. We actually had to go and drop Darcy off to her friends. She's going to do a bake-off. They do this with, when they had the last holidays, they book, I think they're baking cornflake cakes today. I don't know, she's gone armed with a box of cornflakes and an Easter egg to melt down, but we need to get rid of these Easter eggs, so I was more than happy for her to take it. So I've just done Ollie's lunch. I'm about to sort Penna's lunch. I'm going to cook my omelette, have a protein shake with it. Just done my workout. I'll leave a link to the one that I did, that I am doing, sorry, not that I did. So it's free, completely free on YouTube. It's Grow with Jo. I've mentioned her before, you've probably heard of her. She's so good. She's got so many workouts on her YouTube channel and they're walking based, most of them. So it's not like high impact. There's literally something for everybody, dependent what level in fitness you are. Obviously, I'm just starting back in now after a year off. And it was a shock to the core, a shock to the system, I should say. So I didn't film it because a lot of the moves that I was fine with, like reverse lunges going into a curtsy lunge, I find I'm really wobbly where I'm trying to get back to stabilising my core. So I didn't film that, but I promise I did it. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll overlay my stats here from Fitbit so you can see. I think I burnt just over 200 calories, but my legs are burning, guys. Like, I've got a sweat on. So I'm about to put the weights back away. I've just got a little mini selection. They start on this workout quite light, which I prefer because I got to the point where I was lifting quite heavy weights this time last year, but obviously we're kind of starting again. But I'm hoping that we wake those muscles up, muscle memory, all that jazz. So I'm hoping we can move up quite quickly. And yeah, I just want to give everyone a quick Uber, run around. The weather is so bipolar, so I actually put the washing on the airer, but I think I should be able to stand it on the decking because it's been sunny, cloudy, raining, sunny, cloudy, rain. So you just don't know what's going on. So
There was a rainbow.
yeah, I know, it's crazy. So I thought I'm not going to put it on the line because if it does start raining, if it's on the airer, I can just lift it in. So I'm actually going to do that now because it is my whitewashing and I do like my whitewashing to dry outside. So we'll get that out in the garden now and then we'll cook some lunch, shall we?
Yeah.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do, baby. Let me love.
Okay, so let's prep some dinner. Ollie's just busy with his airport. Want me to show you? He wants me to show you all it, guys.
I'm getting new MDF and grass. Like you spray it on with like a powder. You spray it on with
So he's made this from like leftover wood. A lot of this he's got from Temu.
the trees.
The trees and the grass.
Yeah, the trees and the grass are for Temu.
And then the
This
planes
is-
are from, what was it called?
Darren.
Aircraft model.
Aircraft model store. Left from Darren.
Yeah.
Some of the Grand Crow from her pack.
Yeah.
Then my first Gemini Jets model set for the Grand Crow. They're actually really good.
You've got Auntie Hayley roped into this, haven't you? She's very invested in this, so she kits them out. Who knew model airplanes were so expensive? So yeah,
It's a good hobby.
very good hobby. So he's busy doing that. Penny girl.
Oh, he's amazing.
Penny is, I'm going to just put you in the window, guys, because I thought my sister was in the office today, the one that drove us to Blue. So when I got out of the car in Cardiff, I left the tripod and the extended battery in the side of her door, forgot to bring it in. So I thought, oh, she's in the office today, but she's actually not. So I could have got it back, but I've just been really busy because I didn't think that I was having to do, like, go to so many different shops today. But it's just typical, isn't it? You run out of everything at the same time. So on our little rounds of going around all the shops, we were probably out for like 2 hours. So I'm a little bit later doing my workout, but it's fine. We've got it done. I'm actually very proud of myself that I'm getting back into this. I just need to stay consistent with it because I have been feeling a little bit down lately, and I could have very easily not done it today and just sat on the sofa and moped. I was very close and I had to kick my own butt into gear, guys. So it's done. I'm glad it's done. I'm glad I forced myself to do it. I'm just going to do a few jobs around the house because I do really need to hit my 10,000 steps, which is hard in the holidays because so I do quite a few thousand just on the school runs with like the different drop-offs, and we're not doing that right now. So yeah, we'll get it done. So I'm going to make some lunch. I'll tell you what I'll do. Let me do some washing up and then I will cook some lunch with you.
Let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, let me love you, baby, let me love you, let me love you, let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your
Okay, so I'm just doing a 2-egg omelette. So I've just stripped my lunch right back, guys. So I know I was having the pitta. I've just stopped having, I'm trying to reduce the amount of, I don't have a lot of bread, but I'm just trying to reduce the bread that I'm having. Give that a bit of a mix. Salt and pepper.
Flying over us.
And then what I've also done, what was it? Flying over us?
You're going to be united there. Look, you're going to fly over us.
Okay, yeah.
Oh my god.
Airplanes is the new craze, guys. So what I also picked up today was some, where's it gone? Some coconut oil just to cook in. So I always used to cook in coconut oil, and then we didn't have any, so I was just cooking in olive oil. And when I started putting everything into my Fitness Pal, oh my God, the olive oil I was putting in, bear in mind a dribble to cook my omelette was 120 calories just for the olive oil. No, I'd rather save those 120 calories and have like a cream egg or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish Penny's lunch and then I'll come back and we'll cook my omelette and just probably do some onion, cucumber, get my protein shake, and I might have a kiwi. I'm really craving a kiwi. I know that's a random concoction, but
eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love. Let me love. Let me love you. love you.
Okay, that's going to wrap this video up. I've just got Penny to sleep. We didn't actually get around to doing anything else this afternoon. I ate my lunch in the garden. It was sunny. Then I was taxi service to Darcy a few times. They're currently arguing while cleaning the bunnies out, which is fun. I've just got Penny to sleep. Had a very productive evening. And yeah, I thought I would wrap this video up before I finish completely, and I'll have to come on another day to wrap it up. So that is a positive. We've managed to start and finish a video all in one day. You're saying bye-bye.
Can I show you my outfit?
We'll do that in our vlog, okay? Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this style of video. I was very brave today taking the camera out and taking you around shopping. That's a new one for me, so I'm going to try and incorporate that more often. I keep saying I'm going to do that, but today I just didn't care. I actually took my magnetic holder and it's literally just stuck to the trolley because obviously it's metal, and I could like tip the angles and things around. So yeah, I found that really easy, just like packing the trolley and things like that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me a follow or subscribe. If you aren't already, give the video a thumbs up, come and say hello in the comments, and we'll see you in our next video. But it's bye from us, everyone.
Bye.